Hello बच्चों, let's discuss the question. And the question is given in the format of match the following, in which column 1 and column 2 are given. Column 1 represent types of protozoa, whereas column 2 represent the examples. You have to choose the correct example of the respective given types of protozoa. The key concept for the question will be protozoans. The key concept will be protozoans. They are the member of kingdom Protista. We can write member of kingdom Protista. They are heterotrophs. They are heterotrophs. Though they are the member of kingdom Protista, it means they are eukaryotic cells. So we can also write that they are eukaryotes. They are heterotrophs. हेट्रोट्रॉफ्स में भी ये या तो पैरासाइट होंगे और दे कुड बी अ प्रेडेटर. Okay, now comes to the type of protozoans. Mainly protozoans are further divided into four major groups. They are divided into four major groups, and the groups are, the first one is the amoeboid protozoans. अमीबॉइड प्रोटोजोअन आपके ऐसे प्रोटोजोआ होते हैं जो कि फ्रेश वाटर, सी वाटर और मॉइस्ट सॉइल जैसी जगहों पर रहते हैं. साथ ही साथ इनका की फीचर होता है दैट दे हैव फॉल्स फीट. दे हैव फॉल्स फीट दैट आर कॉल्ड pseudopodia. They have pseudopodias, that is false feet. This is the key feature of amoeboid protozoan. Now the next group is, the second group is ciliated protozoans. Ciliated protozoans. In ciliated protozoans, it is very much clear from the name that इनके पास में cilia present होती है. They possess cilia for the locomotion. Possess cilia for locomotion. The next group is, the third group that we have is the flagellated protozoans. We have flagellated protozoans. इन प्रोटोजोअन के पास में भी फ्लैजिला प्रेजेंट होती है. इनके नाम से भी क्लियर हो रहा होगा. दे पजेस फ्लैजिला. They possess flagella. And at the last, the group is the sporozoans that we have. It's sporozoans. Because इनकी लाइफ साइकिल में एक स्पोर लाइक स्टेज आती है, therefore इनका नाम sporozoans पड़ गया. So we can write that they possess spore-like stage in their life cycle. Spore-like stage in their life cycle. This is a simple introduction about the types of the protozoan. Now we will move toward the examples of the given protozoan. The first is the amoeboid protozoan. So ऐसे प्रोटोजोन्स जिनके पास में pseudopodia present होते हैं. So the given example must be 3, which is the correct one for the amoeboid protozoan. It means for option A we have third example means amoeba as the correct example of amoeboid protozoan. So for A we have amoeba. Now comes to the ciliated protozoan. For ciliated protozoans we have paramecium as the correct answer, because paramecium आपका ऐसा एक स्लिपर शेप का एक ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है जिसके चारों तरफ सीलिया प्रेजेंट होती है, कुछ इस तरीका का ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है वो जिसके चारों तरफ ऐसे सीलिया प्रेजेंट होती है। और अमीबा आपका ऐसे कोई रैंडम शेप होती है जिसके पास में स्यूडोपोडिया होता है। सो फॉर द सीलिएटेड प्रोटोजोन वी हैव पैरामीशियम एज द correct example. So for B we have the paramecium as the correct example. Now comes to the flagellated protozoan. For flagellated protozoan, trypanosoma is the correct answer. It is the example of flagellated protozoan. So for C we have fourth example, that is trypanosoma. Now comes to the last, that is sporozoans. Sporozoans के लिए आपका जो correct answer होगा that will be plasmodium, because plasmodium ऐसे टाइप का प्रोटोजो होता है जिसके पूरी लाइफ साइकिल में स्पोर लाइक स्टेज भी प्रेजेंट होती है, देयरफॉर इट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्पोरोजोन. सो फ्रॉम द गिवन डिस्कशन वी कैन कंक्लूड that C option is the correct answer for the given question. I hope the question is understood to you. All the very best.